Hold on. Before you even think of clicking away, let me tell you something that could change your life. What if I told you that with less than $500, you could start a unique business, right from your kitchen, that not only makes people crave your product, but also gives you the financial freedom you've been dreaming of? That's right. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a small noodle-making machine into a full-blown profitable business. And trust me, you won't want to miss the secret I'm about to reveal at the end. This could be the start of your entrepreneurial journey, and you might not even know it yet. So stay tuned, because this video is packed with everything you need to get started on building your noodle empire. Alright, let's dive right in. With just a $400 investment, you can own a noodle-making machine that will let you create artisanal, handcrafted noodles with flavors like buckwheat, spices, herbs, you name it. These aren't your regular supermarket noodles. We're talking about gourmet, handcrafted noodles that food lovers will be lining up to buy. Why? Because people love food that stands out, and you're about to offer something fresh, unique, and full of flavor. Picture this. You set up shop outside an office building, university, or local market, and the aroma of fresh noodles grabs everyone's attention. The real magic happens when they see you crafting these noodles right in front of them. It's not just food, it's an experience. People love the idea of watching their meal being prepared fresh, and that's what will keep them coming back for more. You'll be offering them a culinary spectacle, not just a quick meal. And here's where it gets even better. You can start small with just a cart or a little stall, maybe even a ghost kitchen setup. And as you grow, you can expand into new territories like delivery, catering for events, or partnering with local chefs. The flexibility is endless, and so is the potential for scaling. What's even more exciting is that you can experiment with different noodle recipes, spicy, savory, gluten-free. Whatever your customers crave, you can create it. The noodle machine is super easy to use, so even if you've never cooked a day in your life, you'll be able to master this. Now let's talk about how to market your noodle business. You could leverage social media platforms to showcase your noodle-making skills. Post videos of the noodle-making process, create short reels that highlight your unique flavors, and share testimonials from customers who can't get enough of your product. And don't forget to collaborate with local food bloggers or chefs who can help spread the word. It's all about creating buzz, and nothing spreads faster than great food. Another option is to get your noodles into local farmers markets or food festivals. People who visit these places are always looking for new, fresh, and exciting foods. You'll be offering something they've probably never seen before. Artisanal, handcrafted noodles made right in front of them. This business model also allows you to start small and test the waters before going big. You can figure out what works best for your business and then scale up accordingly. But here's the best part. Your customers aren't just buying noodles, they're buying a unique food experience. Whether it's creating noodle kits with homemade sauces or offering a noodle subscription service, the possibilities are endless. Imagine your loyal customers receiving fresh, handmade noodles at their doorstep every week. The novelty and customization will keep them hooked on your product. So, why should you subscribe to this channel? Because if you're serious about starting a business or exploring unique ways to make money, this is the place to be. We've got tons of business ideas, insider tips, and strategies to help you succeed in any venture. Don't miss out on more content like this. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss another opportunity that could change your life. That's it for today's video. Now it's your turn. Get your noodle making machine, get creative, and start building your noodle empire today. Who knows? This small investment could lead to a life-changing business venture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.